Get up! It's time for Mista Pat! It's time to learn with Mista Pat. He's gonna break down all the facts, like who and where and why it's that. So tell us how it works. What's that, Mista Pat?
Ooh.
Oh, hey family. I just had the scariest dream. Do you hear that? My heart is racing. Scary dreams aren't the only thing that get my heart racing up though. So does exercise, candy, and roller coasters. But what's really going on inside my heart? Let's take a closer look. To the lab, baby. Your heart pumps blood throughout your whole body, all day, every day, for your whole life. Even when you're fast asleep, your heart keeps on keeping on. Blood flows through a network of small tubes called blood vessels to deliver oxygen to your body's cells. Kinda like water flowing through pipes to reach sinks, showers, and water fountains. Together, the heart and the blood vessels make up the cardiovascular system. Man, that's a big word. But don't worry, we're gonna break it down right here. Now, before we flow any further, we need to know the 3 different types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood back to it. And capillaries connect the two. Capillaries are so small that blood cells travel through them single file. If you stretched all your blood vessels out in a line, it would be over 100 kilometers long, or roughly 60,000 miles. That would stretch 2.5 times around the Earth. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Now let's get back to the heart of the matter. Your heart sits in the center of your chest, angled slightly to the left. If you put your hand over it like this, you can feel it pumping. To hear your heartbeat more clearly, doctors use a tool called a stethoscope. Your heart will beat over 2 billion times in your life. Can you believe that? The heart is made up of 2 kinds of chambers, atria and ventricles. Atria are the upper chambers, and they receive blood flow into the heart. Ventricles are the lower chambers. They pump blood out of the heart. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber, using its super strength to pump blood all throughout the body. As your blood travels, it delivers yummy oxygen to your muscles and organs in exchange for icky carbon dioxide. Once it's made all of its deliveries, it returns to the heart, where it chills out. But not for long. Next stop on the bloodstream, the lungs. While traveling through the lungs, your blood cleans off all that yucky carbon dioxide and soaks up fresh oxygen. Kinda like rinsing off stinky sweat after exercising. P.U. Then it flows back to the heart and the cycle repeats. Your blood travels this loop over 100,000 times per day. Ooh-wee, that was a lot of information. Let's take a breather. Love feeling that good old oxygen in my bloodstream. The harder our bodies work, the more oxygen they need. That's why when we run, hike, or play sports, we feel like we're losing our breath. Are you interested in learning more about the heart and blood vessels? Check out Cardiology. Cardiology is the study of the cardiovascular system. Doctors who specialize in this field are called cardiologists. But they're not the only ones. Nurses, surgeons, technicians, anesthesiologists, and exercise physiologists know a whole lot about it too. Well, family, now that I caught my breath, I'm gonna kick back and relax. Until next time, keep on pumping. Peace.